Hello guys and welcome to GosTech. Today I'll show you how to fix system error saying, "Sorry, this application cannot run under a virtual machine." It's easy to fix. All you need to do is go to BIOS. To go to BIOS, restart your computer and press F1 or F2. It depends on your computer. Mine is Lenovo and I press F1. In the BIOS, go to Advanced, then CPU Setup. After that, look for Virtualization Technology and VTD feature and click Disable. Save the settings, exit and restart the computer. That's it, so easy. If this works for you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. It also helps me to give you more PC solutions. Thanks for watching.